Who said cacti are just for putting in a corner and forgetting about them? Today, I want to show you 15 cacti that will surprise you with their ability to bloom with a beauty that few plants can match. Some produce large, colorful flowers that look like lilies or orchids, while others form delicate crowns on top of their spiny bodies. And the best part, most of them are very easy to care for. If you're looking for resilient, decorative plants that reward you with spectacular blooms, stay tuned because here you'll find true gems of the plant world. We start with Mammillaria bombaceana, a species known for its rounded, compact shape, covered with fine, silky white spines that give it a soft, almost woolly look. But the most beautiful thing about this plant is that in spring it forms a crown of small pink flowers that emerge from the top like a natural tiara. This cactus is perfect for small to medium decorative pots, and maintenance is simple. It needs bright light, ideally a few hours of gentle sun each day, moderate watering with the soil completely dry between waterings, and a well-draining mix. Mammillaria plumosa, commonly called feather cactus, looks like a ball of cotton. Its soft, fine white spines cover the plant, giving it a fluffy, delicate appearance, though it is actually very tough. Its flowers are small, white, or pale pink, and peek out between the feathers in a subtle way. It's ideal for bright interiors, requiring very little watering, especially in winter. This plant thrives in dry air and bright light, but not harsh direct sun, making it an excellent option for well-lit indoor spaces. The Mammillaria genus in general is one of the most diverse and floriferous among cacti. Many of its species share the feature of forming crowns of small flowers, in colors like pink, white, lavender, or yellow. These flowers usually appear in spring or summer and stay open for several days. They are small-sized cacti, ideal for collections or to decorate limited spaces. Care is basic: good light, sparse watering, and airy soil. A light fertilizer in spring will boost chances of abundant blooming. Gymnocalycium mahanovici, also known as the moon cactus, is one of the most striking visually because of the color of its body. Since it lacks chlorophyll, it shows vivid shades like red, orange, yellow, or purple, and is therefore usually grafted onto a green cactus. While its body is already decorative on its own, in spring or summer it also produces elegant pastel flowers in white, lilac, or pink. It's perfect for modern interiors, as it doesn't require direct sun, just good light. Water sparingly and use a pot with excellent drainage. In general, the Gymnocalycium genus is made up of small, globular cacti with pronounced ribs. Their flowers are large compared to the body, with delicate pastel petals in white, pink, or lavender. They bloom on the crown, creating a lovely contrast with the short spines. They are ideal for beginners, as they don't need intense sun and adapt well to spaces with indirect light. They prefer mild climates and appreciate a dry winter rest to encourage flowering in spring. Echinopsis, commonly called Easter lily cactus, is one of the most spectacular when it comes to flowers. It produces giant, trumpet-shaped blooms that can even surpass the size of the plant itself. These flowers often open suddenly, sometimes overnight, in shades of white, pink, red, or orange. Although they last only 1 or 2 nights, flowering can repeat several times in a season. This cactus prefers several hours of direct sun, with reduced watering in winter. Once a year, with proper care, it will gift you with an unforgettable show. Nodocactus, also called Parodia autumnus, is a spherical cactus with short spines and an attractive dark green body. Its flowers are large, cup-shaped, usually bright yellow, though some varieties bloom in red or orange. It's easy to grow, needing gentle sun or strong light, moderate watering only when soil is dry, and a dry winter rest to bloom vigorously in spring. The Parodia genus is highly valued for blooming well in small pots and for its compact globular shape. Its flowers are showy and open, in vivid tones like yellow, red, or orange. These blooms contrast beautifully with the spines and can appear several times a year. It requires lots of light to flower, though not necessarily full sun all day. A sandy mix and watering only when dry are recommended. Labivia is another admired genus for its striking blooms. Though the plants are small, they often produce large, vibrant flowers in red, fuchsia, orange, or white. They bloom mainly in spring and summer and often respond well to a dry period followed by watering, which triggers flowering. They love direct morning sun and should be watered moderately, avoiding waterlogging. They are tough and perfect for rock gardens or sunny terraces. Rebutia is a true miniature jewel. Its small round bodies often cluster, and the bloom is spectacular. It can cover itself entirely with flowers, larger than the plant in shades of orange, red, pink, or yellow. Flowers usually emerge from the base upward, creating a stunning effect. Ideal for small spaces, balconies, or windows. It needs good natural light, little water, and a dry winter rest to flower stronger in spring. Astrophytum myristigma, commonly known as bishop's cap, has a unique star-shaped body with 5 rounded ribs, covered with white dots, giving it a distinct texture. It's an elegant ornamental cactus. It blooms once a year, usually in summer, with large yellow flowers with a reddish center. It needs plenty of light, though not necessarily harsh sun, and very little watering. It prefers sandy soil and a dry environment. Epiphyllum, known as orchid cactus, is a hanging cactus without spines. Its long, flat stems produce enormous exotic flowers in vivid colors such as white, pink, fuchsia, or yellow. Its tropical look resembles orchids. It blooms in spring or summer, needs bright but filtered light, moderate watering, and some humidity. It's ideal for hanging baskets indoors with good light or shaded patios. Schlumbergera truncata, better known as Christmas cactus, is famous for blooming in winter, right at Christmas time. It has segmented stems with jagged edges and produces hanging flowers in pink, red, white, or salmon. It's spineless and ideal for indoors. It needs bright, indirect light and more water than most cacti, especially while blooming. A dry rest in autumn encourages more abundant December blooms. Cactus straussii, or silver torch cactus, is tall, columnar, and completely covered with fine white spines, giving it a silvery, silky look. Its tubular red or fuchsia flowers stick out like little flames among the spines. Perfect for sunny outdoors, it needs little water and grows tall with time. Ideal for those who want a cactus with vertical presence. Cactus. Winteri, also called monkey-tail cactus, is a trailing plant with long hanging stems covered in soft golden spines. It produces bright red tubular flowers in spring, ideal for hanging baskets, balconies, or sunny terraces. It needs moderate watering and a light, airy soil. Its form and color make it a real showpiece in any collection. As you can see, cacti are not just tough and easy to care for. They can also be incredibly beautiful and ornamental thanks to their spectacular blooms. With some light, patience, and proper watering, these plants can easily become the stars of your garden or indoor space. And if you love unusual, easy-to-care-for plants, don't miss my video about rare succulents, perfect for shady or low-light areas. They're ideal for decorating interiors without direct sun, and some of them will also surprise you with their unique shapes and textures. Click now and let's explore them together.